Hello, in this video I will show you how to download Ubuntu and also install it inside of VirtualBox. To start off, head over to your web browser, search for Ubuntu, and then click on this download. Once you click there, click on Ubuntu Desktop, and we're going to choose the Ubuntu version with long-term support. So click on download, and it should automatically start downloading. I'm actually not going to download this since I've already got it downloaded onto my machine. So I'm going to cancel that. And then I'm going to open up VirtualBox. The next thing you'll need to do is click New. And then name it whatever you would like. I'm just going to name it Ubuntu. It automatically has filled in the type of machine, which is Linux, and the Ubuntu, which is 64. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to change this to 4 gigs, which is 4096. Now this depends on how much RAM you have available to your computer. I know I have 32 gigs available, so 4 gigs is not going to hurt my machine at all. So I'm going to hit next, create. Most of these settings you'll just keep the same. You won't change any of it. Most of the times if you do change it, it's just going to be the RAM and the storage size. So right now it defaults to 10 gigs available. I'm just going to go ahead and up this up to, I don't know, 32 gigs. We won't ever use that much, but just for this demonstration purpose, I'm going to hit create. And then one thing that we're going to do, we're going to right click and go to settings. Click on system, go over to processor. I'm going to change this over to 2. Hit OK. And with this selected, we're going to click Start. Now what this screen is, this is going to let us select where, what ISO file we would like to use. So pretty much we're going to select our Ubuntu file that we just downloaded. Yours will likely be under the downloads. Mine is under a separate file or separate folder that I've already made, and this is it right here. So I'll just click open, and then with that selected we'll click choose and then click start. Now, you do have an option if you'd like to try Ubuntu. We're actually just going to go ahead and install it. So I'm going to select install Ubuntu. Select whatever language you use. Mine is of course English. And then I'm actually going to make this a little bit bigger. Let's see. View. Now I'm going to change this to scaled mode, and then that way I can see this a little bit better. I'm going to hit continue. We're just going to go ahead and go with the normal installation. Hit continue. It's just going to say erase disk and install Ubuntu. That's what we'd like. Hit install now. It's just saying the partitions that are going to be formatted and where it's going to do this at, and which that's completely fine because this is inside VirtualBox and it won't actually affect anything on your hard drive other than that space that you've allocated. So your name, so I'm just going to put Jacob. That's my name. Password, I'm just going to make something up. And just going to repeat that there. You can either log in automatically or require my password to log in. Hit continue. Depending on your computer, this may go quicker or slower. So, I mean, this is fairly quick for me for my computer setup that I have. Now that it's completed, we'll just hit restart now. Then we'll hit enter. As you can see, it restarted. It comes up with the login page. So I'll select my account, type in my password, and hit enter. And now you have Ubuntu installed on VirtualBox. Comes up with some prompts. I'm just going to go through those and you should be good to go. If you found this video helpful or informang at all, just hit that like button and also subscribe. Thank you.